Look at Lee.
Oh. Oh. So. I've never tried this version of MRE in Korean basic training, but I've tried this in KTA, as I said.
The first one I had was not very good. It was pretty bland. And compared to civilian food, which I had had before because it was at the very beginning of my basic training, it did not taste very good.
Do you want to try each other's MREs?
Sure, yeah. But what am I gonna eat?
You want chili with beans?
Talking like that. When I tried it before, it was just alright. I could eat it and swallow it. Yeah.
You could swallow it?
Yeah. I mean, you gotta swallow when you eat it. Unless what's the point of eating? Yeah.
Yeah, you're talking about you slide it through, right? And you like
The corner.
yeah. So because they get stuck a lot of times, like we'll put it down through here.
Let me try it. So like this. Well,
I've never done it like that.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
Wow. Okay.
No, it's,
This one first.
yeah. Okay, so okay, that
Go
should
ahead.
be a
Yeah. Give it to me.
And then you can explain what's inside.
Okay. Cheese spread. Oh, lemon lime juice.
this is your snack.
Beverage powder.
This is your drink.
Snack.
This is your after meal.
Cornbread. Ah.
Yep, this is your side. This is the heater, and this
Okay.
is the box you'll put the heater in. So there's instructions on here.
All right. Do we have water?
So you'll go ahead and pour your water in.
Like just
Yeah,
tear it up
tear it off.
Okay.
And put your water in. Just a little bit, and then put it in here.
And like this.
Yeah.
You sure you've tried this before?
Only like twice. And you have lemonade.
Okay. Lemonade.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Do we have more water? Stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now you're gonna seal it,
Seal it.
and then you're gonna shake your bag really well. Okay, do you see any clumps left?
Yeah.
So, do you want to add more water, or do you want to just try to shake them out?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Looks kind of weird though. Yeah, it smells so bad. Yeah, I thought it's lemonade.
It's lemon lime.
Ah, lemon lime. Alright.
It's lemon lime lemonade.
Yeah. What are you listening?
You're funny.
No?
A little bit.
No.
Alright. Okay, that's good.
You go at first. Come on.
It's not bad. You want me to drink more?
Yeah. Drink like until.
Why do you want me to drink half of it?
I don't trust you.
It's okay.
Alright.
It kind of tastes like soda, like if you leave it in the car a little bit. It like tastes carbonated.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah.
Those are
Oh.
these are vegetable crackers, which means they're already kind of gross.
Oof.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Or touch it. Why are you
Yeah. Like this. Doesn't look too bad.
Here's your crackers.
Alright. You can go at first. Okay. I think that's enough.
Yeah, I guess.
How is it?
Very Mari.
Huh?
I think with the cracker, it's not that bad.
It's pretty good actually. I like it. I like chili.
I don't like MRE chili.
Why?
I feel like it doesn't do real chili justice.
How?
It kind of tastes like a more like watered down version of it. What? What?
What is that? Can we try cornbread?
Mm-hmm. Let's try cornbread. Do you want your cheese?
No.
Okay.
Let's see. Ooh. Okay.
It's a little bit dry.
Is it?
It's a little dry. But it's not too bad.
Yeah. Right.
Right.
It's getting messy here. Do you like cornbread? Really? Why?
Where I'm from, it's kind of like a staple. Like at Thanksgiving, like you have cornbread with like your turkey and your ham and stuff.
So you had it every day?
Not every day. Like it's just one of your staple foods. Like how there's like pecan pie. Like you'll have cornbread.
Yeah, true.
It's like,
Same for me.
so these are cheese-filled crackers.
Like there's like cheese filled inside. It's really pretty good.
These are one of the better snacks that you could get in an MRE.
For driving.
Sometimes you have to open it from the opposite side. Or, okay.
Yeah.
Look at you, so strong.
Don't touch me.
So where's your
Bite it
crackers? Get your crackers.
I don't like it.
Okay, that's how you're supposed to eat it.
Oh, and put chili on it.
Yeah. I'm mixing it. You don't have to.
Alright. It's kind of salty. Chili on top.
Like sometimes if you don't want to use their spoon, like we would use another piece of a cracker. We're doing make a sandwich.
Yeah. It's kind of dry.
Because like they're kind of dry, but part of it is that they've been packaged for so long, and part of it is like the preservatives.
So, you wanna chew the gum? Tastes like tissue.
Did you say taste like tissue?
No, I thought this tastes like tissue. Why would you eat tissue?
I don't know. That's why I was confused.
Huh? To be honest, I like them.
Would you eat this over like the Korean MREs you had to eat in basic?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, can you read it?
I can't read it, but it has pictures. You open it, pull this thing out. This is probably the heater, right? And then you'll pull the string on the heater.
Okay.
And you seal it. Maybe I guess you like set it up.
Okay.
Maybe. And then you take it out and your food's cooked, and then
Okay.
you open your food and you eat it.
You sure? You didn't say this.
Oh, well, I didn't know what it was.
Yeah? Now
Yeah.
you can tell. Do you wanna do it?
No,
Why?
I'm kind of scared.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, seal it.
And then, let me see.
Seal the back.
Oh.
Like you're supposed to have it like at an angle.
Yeah.
Here, turn the plate over.
Ooh.
Don't shoot it at me.
So
It looks like a popcorn bag.
Yeah, kinda. Is it hot? It's hot. Touch it.
It's not that bad, but like it's warm. Why are you making me touch it
It's
more?
gonna get hot. It's getting really hot.
I feel like there's probably.
Ow. It's hot.
So you have heaters, but your heater works differently than ours.
Yeah.
If you're like in a forest, right? If you have plenty of things around you, it's gonna be easier to disguise this. But if you're in like a field, right, and there's nothing there, then this is gonna be really, really obvious.
I don't think it's gonna be a problem.
For example,
Yeah.
in like World War II, right?
Yeah.
There was a lot of like battlefields that were very flat where you could see things. They were very open ground. So they would just have to be behind small hills, or they would have to be in like dugout holes.
Yeah.
And so they knew that they were somewhere on that field, but they didn't know where on that field you are. If you do something like this on a field like that, and you're just trying to hide in a dugout, then they're gonna know exactly where you are.
You can like cover it up with your clothes or with your PC or. No.
Yeah, but if you do that, it's probably gonna divert the gas back. It's not good for you to breathe it in. And
no,
it's probably very hot.
No, you don't have to breathe it in. You just have to cover it.
Okay, Lee.
So the steam.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah. Cannot
Yeah,
be
you're
seen.
right. You're right.
Yeah.
I give up.
Yeah. No,
okay.
I'm alright.
No, knowing you, you'd be like everything's wrong anyways.
So what? 8 minutes. And shake it.
No, that's not. I mean,
What?
like this, like. And this is your plate, right?
Chocobo. Yeah, it's the plate. And it's the fork. And
You have a
spoon mix.
spork.
Yeah, spork.
A spork.
Chocobo. You like chocolate?
Mhm.
Yeah, I know.
They
Looks
look
like
like-
M&M.
Yeah, those they look like M&Ms.
Looks like this.
They kind of taste like M&Ms.
This is embarrassing. It's okay.
It's just okay.
Hmm?
It's just okay.
Yeah.
Be careful with the heater.
Ew.
It's like a big water bag.
Oh, it's hot now. It's pound cake.
Pound cake.
Yeah.
Okay. Kimchi. Okay, okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, what does this say?
That's sausage.
Sausage and...
Meatloaf. Where's fried rice? So, you tried.
So like we put the rice and the kimchi and the sausage all in here
And just mix it?
and kind of made a plate with it. And we tried each individual one and then we mixed it together and tried it too.
You're the chef now.
I'm the chef
Yeah.
now.
It's
Ow,
not-
it's hard on the bottom.
Ew. Ew. Disgusting. Look at this.
Yeah, kimchi on the side over here.
Looks like rice cake.
Maybe it is. You just don't know.
Huh.
Not just like kimchi sauce.
Fine. Smells not bad. Smells good actually. Mirror.
I think
Sure.
it's okay, but we can put it here.
Well, let's see what's inside first. Oh, looks like this. It's kind of weird.
It's just gonna be all the sauces together anyways.
Yeah. Looks like this. Like toshirak. Toshirak is like you know, lunch case. Okay, you go ahead first. We're gonna mix it.
No, I'm gonna try it by itself first.
Okay. How is it? Good?
It's really hot.
Looks like this. Oh. It looks really weird.
You're basically a YouTuber.
No. Ah, actually, it's quite good.
I know. Yeah, it's really good.
I'm surprised. I'm like really surprised.
Really?
Yeah. Besides, it's gonna taste like cardboard. Just tastes like cardboard. It's actually good.
So your messages always go in with low expectations.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
that's better way. Looks kind of
Gross.
yeah.
Now you're the chef. Look at that.
No.
The weenies actually aren't that bad.
Yeah. I mean, it tastes actually not that bad.
Oh, you haven't had a
I can
weenie.
enjoy it. Yeah, I can enjoy it. Good.
Eat a weenie.
I'm surprised.
Do you think it's better mixed or not mixed?
I think it's very mixed. Oh what? Wait. The sausage. It tastes weird. It's disgusting.
The
sausage.
weenies are kind of weird, but like they're not that bad.
They're bad. Tastes like
You know the little
some
bitty
throw
like
up. But the rice is good.
rice is good.
Kimchi is not bad too.
My only thing I think is that I wish the Korean MRE came with a drink.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay, this is what it looks like. You try first. I don't want to try it.
It's not bad.
Don't lie.
I almost want to say it's like shortbread, but it tastes kind of off. Like it's not shortbread. Does that make sense?
It tastes like 분유. Like baby milk powder. Right?
Was this better than the cornbread you had earlier?
Yeah. I would rather have this than have the American MREs. I think if I have to eat them every single day, like how I had to eat the American MRE at basic, I feel like I would have preferred to have this.
I would have it as lunch, but not for dinner. And for the American one, I would eat it if I was starving for like 3 days. I have nothing to eat for right now. I think Korean MRE is better. Only for lunch though.
Only for lunch though. I would not be okay with having it for breakfast, but as
Okay.
far as like lunch or dinner, I think either is fine.
Actually, she just got into our office. Yeah, we're like good friends. Okay.